Yesterday we looked at the market and did an analysis. Obviously, we said we're waiting for a breakout above here and here, or we're waiting for us for the market to get down to the blue line. So far, as you can see, the market on 30 minutes, the market has broken above this resistance and this resistance. So what have I done? Okay, since I got a breakout by this candle and a breakout by this candle, I came down, I put my Fibonacci to determine my take profit, 161.8, first TP, second TP, 161.8. The second TP falls within, you need to acknowledge that we have this structure. This is a structure. This is a zone by structure, obviously. Okay, so let me take this out. So we have this fall within this box. It fell out of this box, but it falls within this box. And in this same day, this same week rather, we have two high points. So this falls within. So invariably, I'm expecting the market to get this point. If it gets to this point and closes above this point on my 4 hour, that simply means the 4 hour and the 4 hour has aligned with the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. Because we all know that the weekly is a buy, daily is a buy, just the 4 hour is a sell. So if it happens to break above this, break and close above this, fantastic. Then we know that we're back into buy range. Otherwise, the market may come to the first TP and then continue back down, or get to the second TP, because the first TP falls within this range. First TP falls within this box. So for now, what I'm doing is I'm waiting for the market to reverse back down, give me a structure going down on a lower time frame. I put my Fibonacci to know my target profit, and then my stop loss falls below this support. This is strong support. When you have a high, a low, a higher low, and a lower low, your stop loss should likely be below for a buy, a higher low. My stop loss is here, and I'm starting with 0.05. That's because I expect the market to come and reverse and activate me either here or here, because I got to point out fair value gaps on 1 hour. So if you look at this a fair value gap. I have a fair value gap here between here and here on 1 hour. Coming to 30 minutes, we have a fair value gap. We're looking for fair value gaps along the stretch that moved in the upward direction. This upward direction. Obviously, there's none here. So I also discovered the fair value gap here between here and here. That's on 30 minutes. Going to 15 minutes, we have fair value gap between here and here that has been activated by this. So there are chances that the next fair value gap that the market may activate may be this one, between this and this. Going back chart, we can't see any other fair value gap again. There's no other fair value gap except we drop to 5 minutes, but I'm not ready to go to 5 minutes. I'll work with this because it gives me a good stop loss. So what I expect the market to do is to come back. So as well, we can as well, since I have an expectation, this fair value gap is yet to be activated. On 30 minutes, it's not activated at all. On 1 hour, it's not activated at all. So the market may come in here. So I kept it in between, in the middle of the fair value gap. So what I'm waiting for basically now is to let the market form a structure going down. It has broken out here and here. So I'm expecting to move from high to low, give me a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low into this fair value gap. And then what? give me a breakout of this structure I formed going down as my second confirmation, and then I'll place my second entry. For now, that is what I'm waiting for. This is my second entry, and then I have this. At this point, I would use something higher than this. And if it comes and breaks my second, if it comes and gives me a second confirmation, I would obviously place a higher stop loss, but not that high. I don't trade like that. I just put something reasonable, something a little bit above this, maybe 0.15, because of my stop loss, reasonable stop loss. Okay. So for now, that's all I'm waiting for. So I expect the market to come back down with give me a structure and then break the structure going back up, just the way it did on 30 minutes. That's what I'm waiting for. So far, you can see the market broke here, A, B, C, D, A, B. There's no C yet because there's no breakout here yet. Confirm this as a C. Okay, so for now, we just have A, B, C, D. Okay, so this is basically our major resistance of 5 minutes. Okay, so that is just an update on what I expect of the market. I hope this helps.